Snap to it. Unpacking English Idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fun and punchy phrase that's all about speed and urgency. Snap to it. If you've heard someone say this before and wondered what on earth they mean, you're in the right place. So, let's snap to it and start learning. Snap to it is a phrase that's been around for quite some time. It's an idiom that commands someone to start doing something immediately and to do it fast. Imagine a rubber band being stretched and then released. It snaps back into place quickly. That's the kind of speed we're talking about. This phrase is often used in situations where there is a sense of urgency or when someone is not moving or responding quickly enough. It's like saying, "Hurry up and get moving." For example, if you're dawdling when you should be getting ready for school, a parent might tell you to snap to it. Let's see how snap to it fits into everyday language. At home, a parent might say, "The bus will be here in 5 minutes, snap to it." In the workplace, a boss could say, "We need this project finished by lunchtime, everyone snap to it." Among friends, if you're late for a movie, a friend might joke, "Snap to it, or we'll miss the previews." It's important to note that snap to it can come across as bossy or commanding, so it's best used in a light-hearted way or in situations where you have some authority. It's not the kind of thing you'd say in a formal or sensitive situation. And that's a wrap on snap to it. We hope you can now use this phrase with confidence and add a bit of speed to your English conversations. Remember, language learning is all about practice, so don't hesitate to snap to your English practice every day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.